Look at the front where it says Ames real big. Somebody had a machete in here. Hill stickers though. Floor is gone. This is crazy. This is worse than yesterday. Oh my God. I can't believe I was able to just walk right in. Check that out. Wow, this is incredible. Wow. This is really Nate. What's up? Hey everybody, right now I'm in Youngstown, Ohio, and I happen to pass a Phantom Fireworks location which no longer exists. So I figured I'd stop here and check this place out, because this one is an old one. I'm thinking it used to be an old bus station too, but I could be wrong, but I'll show you why I think it was one. I might have to do a little research to make sure, but anyway, let's go check this place out. This one's old. Alright guys, there it is. Check out the old school sign too. Isn't that something? So I like this. You would come up this little driveway here from the street. That sign right there says enter only. Come up here, right into the little parking lot, and just look how they have the awning set up here. Kind of like it was a bus station. Now there used to be a Greyhound station nearby. I don't know if this was originally it or whatnot. It's been so long since I've been in this area here of Youngstown. But one thing I will say though about this location though, I do remember being in here once. I remember we shopped in here. My parents and my grandfather and I, my little brother, we all came in here. Only one time before we discovered the big location in Boardman, Ohio, which isn't all that far from here. Yeah, look on the wall there. Roman candle bag, 80 bucks. It's pretty sweet. I remember when we were here, my grandfather, you know, he, God bless him, I miss him. He's in here looking at the fireworks with us. You know, he's just hanging out, you know, spending the day with us. And he saw this gigantic, oh, I like that hat. Anyway, he saw this gigantic roll of firecrackers. I think there was 10,000 firecrackers in this roll. And the employee here said, oh yeah, that's 10,000 firecrackers. It goes off for, you know, a couple of minutes. And my grandfather just goes, holy cripe. Maximum power. Security logs 2015. Yeah, there's like files there, 2012. See, 2015. 2008. Looks like that might be the last like year. I don't know. Got that signature purple paint in there that they used. See, they got these windows all covered up. Kind of, I guess you could say. Not really, but like just kind of. All kinds of little Phantom Fireworks banners on the windows stuff too. Yeah, look at the paint peeling off the ceiling there. Wow. Oh, that got bad. I guess it's been a few years since this has been shut down. I'm assuming 15. I don't really know, because it's been over 10 years since I was in this building. That's dead bolted shut. I could see that it's dead bolted shut. Wouldn't matter anyway. They got all the stuff blocking the doors. Looks like a light on back there. Maybe, unless it's light coming from outside. I can't tell. Oh, wait. Yeah, there is power in the building. The exit sign is lit up. Let's see if we can see anything over here. Yep. Good old Phantom Fireworks. I'm guessing, like I said, this is what makes me believe that it was maybe a bus station or something. I don't know. Like maybe buses would park here, back in or something. I don't know. Or load up here. I don't know. There's an old garage door there. Can't even get into that anymore. Obviously that hasn't been touched in a long time. Here's the side of the building where you go down the steps to the back of the building. I don't know if that building is attached to this one anywhere or has anything to do with it. There are train tracks there. And with that, I'm thinking maybe there was a train station here as well. It's very likely. I don't know, though. I don't know if that's related to this or not. You see on the windows it says no smoking. That's how you knew it was a fireworks store. All empty now. Alright guys, well that's a look at Phantom Fireworks here in Youngstown. Now, they do have another location that they didn't have before. It's about 3 miles away from here. I was looking it up. So I'm guessing it's a newer building that they opened up to replace this location, because I remember when we came here, this place was hurting. So that wouldn't shock me anyway. Get something newer, nicer, you know, because Phantom's awesome. I like their fireworks, being a pyromaniac. That's why I love the 4th of July. Anyway, I'll be coming out here for that too, to stock up. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up from here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, guys, take care. Stay awesome. Talk to you later.